hello, come and play. Welcome to Lumivale Kids today. Learning letters, having fun. Let's begin, everyone. A for apple, shiny and red. B for ball, bounce ahead. C for cat, soft and sweet. D for duck with little feet. E for egg, smooth and white. F for fish, swimming bright. G for grapes, purple and round. H for hat, spin around. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for juice, fresh and sweet. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, hear it cry. M for monkey, swing and play. N for nest, where birds all stay. O for owl, wise and bright. P for penguin, pure delight. Q for queen with crown so bright. R for rabbit, hop with delight. S for sun that shines all day. T for tiger, let's all say. U for umbrella in the rain. V for violin, play again. W for waterland, juicy bite. X for xylophone, sound so bright. Y for yacht that sails the sea. Z for zebra, 1, 2, 3. Now we know our A to Z. Learning happy as can be. Great job, friends, you learned today. Thanks for singing all the way. Keep on smiling, keep on playing. Keep on learning every day. Don't forget to clap and cheer. We'll see you again very soon right here. Thanks for watching. Come back, please. Only on Lumivale Kids.